Hey, hey, back again.
We're back.
We're reacting to Kung Fu Panda, Shifu versus Tai. This is a request.
It's Shifu.
Shifu.
It's
Cool,
Shifu, nigga.
man.
You're not a Kung Fu Panda fan.
Okay, I can't say her name, but it's Dog Nada Husband.
It's Dog Nader Husband. Bro,
Okay. Dog Nada Husband.
please correct us in the comment when you see this. This one is for you. But yeah, it's Shifu versus Tai. Though I'll say this. I really agree with villains, but I kind of agreed with Tai on this one. But yeah.
That is power.
I rotted in jail for 20 years because of your weakness.
Obeying your master is not weakness.
You knew I was the Dragon Warrior.
You always knew. But when Ugoe said otherwise, what did you do? What did you do? Nothing. You were not meant to be the Dragon Warrior. That was not my fault.
Not your fault. Who filled my head with dreams? Who drove me to train until my bones cracked? Who denied me my destiny?
Can I just say this? This movie is a classic. This movie is a classic.
Grabbing a blade by your hands on the sides at a high speed is crazy. That is just crazy.
Like this movie is. I remember I watched it right before. It was before the Karate Kid.
Yeah.
I wanted to do kung fu at that age. Jesus. Okay, but yeah.
It was never my decision to make.
Was that a waist trainer?
It is now. Give me the scroll. I would rather die.
Kill him. He survived.
That was an awesome kick. Also, yeah. Poe is not winning against Tai. I'm sorry.
What I ever did, I did to make you proud. Tell me how proud you are, Shifu. Tell me. Tell me.
He hit him with those those Karate Kid healing flames that Jackie Chan had,
Oh,
where he was healing Jaden
I
Smith.
remember, yeah.
Hit him with those flames.
I have always been proud of you. From the first moment, I've been proud of you. And it was my pride that blinded me. I loved you too much to see what you were becoming. What I was turning you into. I'm sorry. I don't want your apology. I
I want my scroll. What? Where is it?
Okay, but that was the end of it. What always killed me about this scene is that he's beating up Shifu for the scroll and asking him where it is, but he knew where it's supposed to be. That was always the weird part about this scene. It said he knows that it's supposed to be in the dragon's mouth, but he's beating up Shifu and asking him where it is.
Hey man, he's a positive opportunist. He's been wanting to do this.
But yeah, I love Kung Fu Panda 1 is a classic. It's okay. I don't know what they did with the rest, the others, but Kung Fu Panda 1 is a classic.
I don't remember other ones.
Yeah, nah, it's like 3.
Damn, okay.
Like 3. But yeah, Jet Black is amazing, by the way. But yeah, there was Kung Fu Panda, Shifu versus Tai.
Nah,
Classic movie.
it's like,
And shout out to you, bro, for suggesting this video. Shout out to you and thank you for sticking with us. And yeah, cool, man.
please
Good
like,
videos, man.
subscribe, and suggest other videos you'd like us to react to. We'll give you a shout out. But for now, we need to go.